interrupted with the VBA Library DLL blocking Visual Basic Editor UI workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin the manual steps for VBA Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the VBA Library, the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA UI Library. It manages the unmanaged rendering of the VBA editor environment, including property windows and toolbars. It facilitates the visual orchestration of macro development manifests. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Vbeui is bundled directly with Visual Basic Editor UI rather than being a standard Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest version of Visual Basic Editor UI is the most reliable way to restore this specific dependency safely. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including VBA UI Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Replacing VBA UI Library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for VBA UI library references. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure VBA UI library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.